Nahinayon na yun ang debate sa duha ka magpapiling pagkamayor sa Dakbayan, Sugbo. Ang debate gipresugdahan sa Integrated Bar of the Philippines Cebu City Chapter. Ari ang report.
Naglamano pa silang re-electionist Mayor Tomas Osmeña ug ang iyang kaatbang sa pwesto nga si Vice Mayor Edgardo Labilla. Una silang yatagan o kahigayonan sa pagpaila sa ilang mga kaugalingon nga gisubay sa alphabetical order.
I come from an ordinary family. I am not wealthy, nor I have a political lineage, nor I belong to a political organization. But I am willing to serve with utmost integrity, efficiency, and courage.
I was elected as the Executive Vice President of the League of Cities in my first term. In my second term, I was elected by mass motion by all the city mayors of the Philippines as the President. I was elected in my second year as mayor as one of the 10 outstanding young men of the Philippines.
Gisunod dayon ang ilang mga argumento sa mga nagunang isyu nga giatubang sa Dakbayan. Una, ang problema sa basura.
To have a massive dredging of our waterways, that's the original solution. Thereafter, we should have a vigorous policy of the city to come up with a vigorous prevention of the going back of the litter of our waterways and rivers. That's the original solution.
Planning of plastics. We also have to strengthen our collection of our garbage, and we have to put devices on cleaning our rivers which are not doing, and we have to put trash traps so that when people throw their bottles in the sewage, we can find an area which is accessible that can be cleaned.
Gipangutana usab sila karabot sa disaster preparedness sa Dakbayan.
There are two components in disaster. The first part is relief, that everyone must be able to be helped, that the last person is fed. The second part is the rehabilitation.
But that is one more thing lacking, which we should have as soon as possible. We lack evacuation centers. Not only victims of natural disasters, but also victims of demolitions.
Sa suliran sa trapiko,
Integrated traffic system that will cover not only Cebu City, but the entire urban metropolis, consisting of about 13 local government units in the entire Metro Cebu.
We have the most sophisticated traffic system in Asia. We also widened many road projects, over 20 billion pesos worth of infrastructure projects in Cebu.
natukiusab ang isyu sa Cebu City Medical Center, mga ambulant vendors ug uban pa. Pipila lang sa mga isyu ang gilantugian sa duha ka mga magpapili pagkamayor sa Dakbayan. Samtang mitambong usab ang tagsa-tagsa ka mga supporter sa duha ka partido. Hinuon, tungod sa higpit nga seguridad nga gipatuman, kadto lang adunay ID gikan sa Integrated Bar of the Philippines ang gitugutan nga makasulod sa venue sa debate. Kauban si John Solon, ako si Alan Domingo. Balitang Bisdak.